Well, you know, on YouTube, but my YouTube channel's really blown up. And y'all want to see ranch stuff. So, here you go. It's not all fun. It's the end of October, and it's effing cold. That's all I got to say. It's 20, it's warmed up. We're up to 29 degrees now. And we got snow. I say it's snow. It's kind of like sleet. It's just really a sleety, snowy kind of day. We got a little break in the weather, so I'm trying to get these cows fed. And so, hey, I'll tag y'all along. So, here we go. Man, it's freaking cold. It's October, and you know, it snowed. Well, I guess last year this time it snowed 5 or 6 inches. And I hate winter. But it is what it is. So essentially, what we're doing, I'm trying to ease around. Since we got a break in the weather, we got more snow coming in the next day or two. So I'm trying to ease around here and get these cows fed, get a little protein energy in them. So I've got one pasture done. I went to go get the second pasture. I already got stuck. And it's not that the snow or the sleet's that deep. It's just when you mix it with sand, this little pickup doesn't do very good. And we normally feed in like Hummers. And I've got lots of Hummers that we feed in, but this pickup is kind of my personal pickup too. And I don't have a big cake feeder on there. I got a 750-pound cake feeder. And it's got a nice heater and all that crap. So I thought, well, I'd get around it, but it's pretty worthless when it comes to four-wheel drive. So Bonnie had to come rescue me. We had to go get a tractor and pull me out. So broke a tow rope. Got a calf sick and really sick. When a calf gets sick on a day like today, yeah, it's not good. So it's just part of the ranch. So it's like whenever things get cold, everything goes to crap. Everything breaks. It's just harder to do anything. But anyways, let me flip the camera around so y'all can kind of see what it looks like around here. Well, maybe we got some business now. I hear cows. I got all the cows in other pasture ready to go. Walking in cattle guard in the snow. I don't want to get in a cattle guard. There we go. All right, girls, let's go.
long.
Hey, girl.
Let's get a count on them right quick. Got 84 dumps kicked out. Damn, you alright? Fell down. You good? Okay. Here we go. Yeah, okay. Let's go get some more cake. We'll come right back. Bunch of dang turkeys in here eating. Hey, girls. Hey. Get out of the way. Water looks good, no ice. Alright, so that water, the reason there's no ice on that water is because we have a pit valve where we're always overflowing water, so fresh water is always flowing in. So what we're feeding here, this is dried distiller's grain. It's we make it in a big cube like this so that the cows can pick it up with their mouth easy. It's about 28% protein. Okay, let's finish feeding. So the distiller's grain comes from an ethanol plant, you know, where they make ethanol for the cars. It screws up all of our carburetors in our lawn mowers and stuff like that. So ethanol is made from corn. So essentially what they do is they take the starch out of the corn. That's where you get the ethanol or the, you know, like the alcohol. So the distiller's grain, once they take all the starch out of it, it's actually pretty good for cows. Starch is not good. The sugar, you know, that's not good. You know, actually, corn's not good for, you know, the starch and for humans either. It's not good. But anyways, we take the starch out of it. They use the starch to make the ethanol, and then the leaves us this dried distiller's grain, which is, you know, it's pretty good. It's 28% protein. It sure smells good. Used to, we always fed cottonseed meal cake. Some cottonseed meal. Essentially what it was is they would get the oil, the cottonseed oil, and they'd leave the meal. And the meal was, 40% protein, 44% protein, which is really good stuff. But it just got too expensive. So this dried distillers grain is a cheaper source of protein. It's kind of a new thing. It's not been out for very long. I mean, the dried distillers grain's been out for quite a while, but being able to make it into a cube is kind of a new thing. So I don't know, I like it. It's pretty good stuff. It's cheaper. Alright, so I hadn't got stuck anymore. Like I said, it's October. We're freezing our ass off. It's snow. I've already got stuck, broke a tow rope, my window cracked. Had to get Bondi to come pull me out in the tractor. And yeah, got a sick calf, probably gonna die tonight. Just, it's too early for winter in the Texas Panhandle. Just, I don't know. So I thought I'd just tag y'all along. So thanks for following me on Instagram, and thanks for following me and subscribing on YouTube. Man, my YouTube channel, have y'all seen that? I mean, when I was doing like helicopters and guns, I couldn't get anybody to watch my channel. Now I'm doing ranch stuff, and I don't know, 11, 12,000 followers. I bet by the time I post this, I'll be higher than that. So, man, it's crazy. So, anyways, I hope you got something out of this video. But that's kind of the everyday, when it's cold, let's feed the cows kind of day. So, all right, let me get this cake. Hey, see you.